In this video, we're going to look at the problem, what is the rate of heat loss due to conduction out of a human body? Assuming that the internal temperature is 37 degrees C and the temp of the skin is 33 degrees C. The thickness of the skin is 0.75 centimeters and the surface area of the human is 1.25 meters squared. Alright, so when we look at this problem, we're looking for the rate of heat loss. And remember, the rate of change of heat is power, so power equals Q over T. And since this is conduction, we know that we want to use Ka Th minus Tc over L. All right, so the first thing I need to do is go look up what K is, the thermal conductivity. All right, so in our textbook, it says fatty tissue is 0.2. So we're going to write down 0.2 joules per second meters degrees C. And the area provided is 1.25 meters squared. So remember, area always has units of meters squared. And Th minus Tc, so we're going to take our hotter temperature, the 37 degrees C, minus the cooler temperature, so 33 degrees C. And then L is going to be the distance that the energy is traveling, so that's through the thickness of the skin. So I'm going to take the 0.75 centimeters and divide by 100 to convert to meters. So we get 0.0075 meters. All right, so now I need to get out my calculator. So I get that the rate of change of heat loss, or the power, is 133 watts.